Oh, what's going down YouTube? You guys already know what it is. It's Woods here again with another tutorial for you guys. In this tutorial, man, we're doing a haircut transformation. You guys can tell by the title of this video. He came in with a pretty good amount of hair on his head, and he was just like, man, I'm getting tired of it. I want to go back to the low maintenance. So you guys already know what it is. We gave him that low businessman look. It came out super clean, guys, but when it comes to the tutorial though, I do wish I would have attacked my steps way more aggressively, and then went back and did more detail work. But I feel like I was really fading more timid throughout the haircut, which caused me to want to do more detail work at the end. So if you want me to be honest, this is more like a detail work tutorial. You're gonna see more towards the end that the haircut really starts coming more together, and I feel like, you know what, I really wanted to still upload this video though, because I wanted to show you how you could take like a basic haircut and turn it into a next level haircut just by detailing your work, going back, taking a step back, and just looking at where, you know, the dark areas are, or places where you really have to stretch out the fade a little bit more. But I'm gonna stop wasting y'all time, man, and we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into the tutorial. What's good, guys? You guys already know what time it is. You guys see the title of this video, and you guys see all this hair on his head, man. It is time for a big chop. He's ready to cut it all off, getting tired of it. So we went ahead and just picked everything out really quick, just so nothing snagging. I got my 3 guard on and had to find that crown. You can usually find the crown just by searching the head and looking for where hair is growing in different places in one area. That's usually how you find the crown, but I did choose to go with the 3 guard, mostly because I wanted to ensure that I'm not taking it too low. I can see where the growth patterns are, like how you saw in the front lineup, how it started growing more to the left. You do have to cut the hair the way it's growing, or again, it will take the hair lighter than the rest of the head, like how it would with the crown. But right here, we're setting in our first ball guideline, and I'm setting it in with a rainbow-like shape. He likes his more of a bursty type high taper, and that's how you would usually achieve it. But right here, I'm jumping straight into that neck taper. I like to start without setting that first ball guideline for the back taper, because I feel like it just ensures me that I'm not pushing in the neck too far in, and also trying not to keep it too natural to where, you know, the neck looks too thick. You know, I'm pretty sure, like any other barber, man, I just do not like taking people back. So it just makes sure that I'm keeping everything natural. I'm able to, you know, allow him to put his head down and make sure that the line looks straight before I even start tapering him out. It just makes me feel a lot more comfortable, and I just move a lot more efficiently that way. But right here, we're just gonna go ahead and finish up this, the first ball guideline on the other side. And then now we're going ahead and taking down that hairline a little bit shorter so we can still get it crispy like how we did on the neckline. And right here, we're doing the freehand trim, just trying to knock away that frizzy hair, you know, try to keep everything neat and laid down through the haircut. Alright, you guys, so we're jumping straight into this back taper. I had my trimmers flipped upside down, and I'm just setting in this first primary ball guideline. I like to flip it upside down now instead of, you know, acting like I'm lining it, because I feel like it just doesn't set in as harsh of a guideline, which is I can get out. It just makes it more of a hassle. But I went ahead with my Andis Masters all the way open, setting that inch guideline, then debulked with my 2 guard closed. And now I have my 1.5 guard, and I'm going almost up to that 2, but I'm not quite going up to it. I'm flicking out before I get up to it, because if you go up to that 2, you will, you know, just start raising that fade, because then now you took a shorter guard past, you know, a longer guard, and you're just starting to chase your taper, and that's kind of when the fade kind of just gets really stressed out and you lose that darkness. But right here, I started with my gold FXs halfway. Then I slowly closed them all the way, and then I closed it and started flicking out that bottom guideline. And right here, we're taking out that middle line that we created with the lever open, with our 1 guard open. Now this isn't gonna take it all the way out, but it's kind of gonna soften up, you know, give more of that gradient. So we're really stretching out that fade right now. And then now it's time to take away that line completely. So I have my half guard, and I wish I would have attacked it more aggressively. Right now it's pretty much just lever play. I really can't tell you exactly what lever I had it on, but you know, now that you know this video is about a week and a half old, you know, I'm starting to you know, pick up on the things that I can improve on just by making these videos for you guys. You know, making these videos is making me a better barber, and I'm helping you guys as well. You know, I'm learning from my mistakes as I go, just like any other barber. But I went ahead and I started lining up first, just so I can kind of the same thing that I'm doing with the back taper. You know, I'm fading into that line, trying to keep that line a little bit darker, just so we can have a crispy lineup and a blurry fade.
Yeah, you can cut that hair out on the left. It's not. That's just my hair grow downward from the left side of my face.
What?
Like this hair right here, it grow downward. Like
Yeah,
if you cut that off,
that's
it
all.
won't be taking my hairline back.
I know, that's why I'm starting on this side,
Yeah.
so that I won't start taking it up more than what this side already is. You know what I mean?
Alright guys, so you guys heard it first. You know, I really wanted you guys to hear that, because even the client knows, you know, this is not a pushback, man. I'm not trying to walk around with my lineup lopsided. So how we pretty much avoid that is exactly what I just said. You know, what I just educated my client on, because you do want to educate your clients, because you want them to know the reasons why you're doing something. Number one, it shows that you're a little bit more educated than other barbers, which hell in itself is value. It makes your client want to come back, because they feel more comfortable, because they feel you know what you're talking about. But that's why again, I start on the side that's always the highest, so you're not chasing that line. You start where it's at its highest peak, and then you just match the other side to that side. But pretty much the side steps are exactly the same to the back taper. Nothing is changing at all. The only thing again is I feel like I was really playing with this fade. I should have attacked it way more aggressively and just been confident in my steps, completed the steps, and then just went back and detailed. It would have saved me hella more time. You guys will see, if you guys watch all the way to the end of this video, that I did hella detail work at the end, and that's exactly what brought this cut together. But I'm pretty much just gonna let you guys watch, and I'm gonna stop raining. So I just wanted to let you guys know I'm not gonna be on here long. I just wanted you guys to know that this is where I'm detailing. This is only the beginning of my detail work, guys. Like again, I'm playing with this fade. I really should have went more aggressive in it. But you know, after you guys, I put the enhancement, the razor especially on there, then you guys will start to slowly see this cut come to life. And even after I enhance it, I still detail it. So again, I'm just gonna let you guys watch. Alright, you guys, so you guys see the before. You guys see how my guy came in looking. He was just tired of it. He said, man, this hair just got me looking everywhere. But then we turned him into this. You guys already know. Looking like a clean business, man. Look at my guy. If you guys like the cut, though, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like the video if you like the video, because why wouldn't you like the video if you like the video? Please leave a comment down below, because I really want to hear what you guys think about the cut. Let me know for some feedback, anything that you guys would have done different. But until next time, this is Woods, and I'm out.